my name is Sierra Gomez, also known as Recipes with Sierra, an online food blogger and a recipe developer. And I'm here with Kaforia today to show you guys how you can use acai in a recipe at home. The recipe we're going to be making today is a very simple recipe using very basic ingredients that you probably have at home to make acai cookies. There are many benefits to using acai in a recipe. It has omega-6 and 9 fatty acids. It is an anti-aging warrior, and it's filled with multiple different antioxidants. Okay, so before you get started with actually making the recipe, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking tray with either parchment paper, a silicone baking mat, or you can just use your own kind of baking spray oil or whatever. So the first step is to get 2 bananas, either medium small would be the ideal size. And the riper the better, obviously. These ones are not too ripe, but that's okay. You can still work with bananas that are maybe not super ripe. Very easy. You want to place them in your bowl, and just using a large fork, you just want to mash the bananas down. This is the part that you would fast forward. You want to make sure your bananas are fully broken down before you move on to your next step. So once your bananas are completely broken down, you want to add first your oat flour, keeping this recipe gluten-free. You want to add a pinch of cinnamon, your acai, your sweetener. Today we're going to use maple syrup as your sweetener. Perfect. And then you want to mix. Now you can fold in your chocolate chips. So once your batter is formed, using a tablespoon, you can scoop the batter onto your baking tray. And you'll see that the acai gives the cookies an awesome purple color, which makes this recipe not only delicious, but pretty. To add a little bit more chocolate chips on top, just because, well, I like chocolate. Perfect. So this recipe should make approximately 6 to 8 cookies, depending on the size that you pour them out in. But once this is all set, you can place them in the oven for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. So once your cookies are done, you can place them onto your cooling rack for about 5 minutes to just let them cool down before we start doing anything else with them. As you can see, the acai gives it a crazy pretty color. So that's the best part about this recipe. So once your cookies are all done cooling, you can either just eat them like that, or you can get a little creative with them, like making them into a little bit of a sandwich. This would be a great pre or post-workout snack, or a great dessert. In the middle, I'm adding almond butter, but you can add peanut butter, almond butter, pumpkin seed butter, anything you want, just to make it taste really good. And then you can take a bite.